Hi, I'm Patrick Triscritti, a product engineer here at Issuetrak, and today I'm going to show you a track tip on how to customize the Issue Hub. The Issue Hub is a very powerful view of open issues in your system. These lists can help you organize, prioritize, and hold accountability. So first, we're going to start by cloning the Open Issues view. We're going to click on the gear icon, and we're going to click the Clone View button. We're then going to give our view a name. For this example, we're using the customer response received substatus because we will be sorting by this column substatus. So to sort by a column, we can just click on the substatus and apply a filter. Once that filter is applied, we will have our results filtered out by customer response received. We then can sort by any of the columns. And for this example, I am using last activity. I like using last activity because it brings to the top the issue that has sat there the longest with no activity. We'll then go ahead and save that view. This view can now be used as a default view by accessing your My Settings and setting it as a default view. We can also edit the columns of this view. So if we want to add a column, we simply drag it from available columns over to selected columns. We can then put it up and down in our list where we want it to be shown left or right in the view. We can even remove columns that we don't use often or don't need on our report. We'll go ahead and save that view. And now we can edit the restrictions. So we can restrict this to certain organizations or even user groups inside of Issuetrak. So today we showed you how to customize the Issue Hub. We created a new Issue Hub view. We were able to filter and sort information in that view and save those. We also showed you how to add columns and restrict to groups and organizations. For additional tips and tricks, please contact the Issuetrak Professional Services.